So today we're reviewing our absolute favorite brand for our soap bars that we use every single day, and it's Dove.
You can tell by how many boxes we have. We actually have about 6 more sitting underneath here, but we use these soap bars on a daily basis. We absolutely love them. I think we've been using Dove for over a decade now, and one of our favorite features of these soap bars is the fact that they contain a quarter of the amount of moisturizer. So when you get out of the shower, you feel like your skin is like actually kind of moisturized, which is so nice.
My favorite thing is actually how well it lathers. I don't know if it's just me, I don't know if you feel this way as well, but there's something about having that extra sudsy lather when you're actually putting it on your skin, and this does such a great job at that.
This is what each bar looks like. It's super thick, so it lasts a long time, and there's really like the scent is not very much. It's a little bit of a scent, but not too much at all. And it is gentle enough that we can actually use this on our bodies, and we also use it on our face sometimes because it is gentle enough for that.
And on that note too, it kind of looks like it's marketed towards women, but the scent is really not bad. It's so gentle. It doesn't smell feminine at all.
Yeah, it's good for women and men. We both use it.
I'm not afraid of judgment, but I do use this on a daily basis, and I seem to smell good.
Yes. Another awesome thing about these bars is that Dove is now vegan and cruelty free, and these bars are actually sulfate free. So if that's something you're looking for, then these are good to go.